are with the senior leadership of GMS Plastics Machinery Private Limited at the Plast India 2026. They're going to ask them about some of the latest innovations, technologies that they are introducing in this event. Firstly, sir, a very warm welcome. So what's new this year, sir, at Plast India 2026 that you're going to introduce?
Let me introduce myself. I am Haren Sangvi from GMS Plastic Machinery, and he's our CEO, Mr. Sabyasachi Patnaik. So, at Plast India this year, what we plan to do is we have various different designs of recycling machines which we will be displaying. So, currently, we are showing the force feeding type recycling machine, but we also have other technologies like with the densifier and also mother baby type recycling machines. So we will be, in fact, we have the full spectrum of recycling machines. So we would like to display it to all the customers who would like to see the different recycling technologies that are available in India with a joint venture from Gamma Meccanica, Italy.
So would you want to add something, sir?
Our machines are actually power consumption is very less and very economical for customers who are using in terms of productivity, quality, and low consumption of power. And the quality of granules we get from our machine is widely used for various products like thinner wall products and higher thickness products also, and they can use maximum out of from their waste for the product.
Right. So, sir, sustainability is a big word today. So, what are the sustainable measures that you're using? Some innovations that you'd like to tell us about?
So, basically, I'll come back to our company. Our aim basically in recycling industry is just not to offer what is off the shelf, but we design every equipment to customer requirements. So, being customer oriented, we develop a lot of different technologies, especially now recently we are working with few customers where we want to do deprinting of waste, the film waste especially, where you can remove the print and then when you recycle it, you get virgin like pellets. So you are saving a lot in terms of raw material wastage, and they can be used for premium product manufacturing. So such innovations like demetallizing, deprinting are the technologies which we are developing in the current era. So this actually helps to bring sustainability at a very, you can say, close level, and you can probably save a lot and use for high premium products.
So, Mr. Patnaik, would you also want to add to what sir just?
Yes, regarding our extruders are made such a manner that the customer can run every type of plastic like lightweight plastics, heavyweight plastics, and non-woven plastics in a single machine without changing lot in technology. In a single machine, they can use all these recycling plastic waste.
Not only waste, but I think we are also making machines which are universal to polymers. So, for example, if you want to run polypropylene, you can run on one machine. The same machine can be used for running polyethylenes, ABS, polycarbonate, you name it. Most of the materials except nylon, PVC, and PET, which are high-end products, again, for which you need a different design of equipment. But overall, yeah, we make a machine which is close to universal for all the other polymers.
Right. So talking about new markets, are there any new plans that you have for the coming year? Any future plans, any goals, targets that you would like to tell us about?
See, our basic goal, we have in fact captured our Indian market. We have close to 530 machines across India, being the biggest recycling machine manufacturer. But now our aim is to go global. And of course, we have somewhat around 25-30 machines outside India. But that's not enough. So our aim is now to be global. And to be global and competitive, we have, we are manufacturing machines which are under the joint venture, which would be high technology equipment at a lower price. So our aim is to give a sustainable solution at a cheaper price.
Right.
And
Any
adding to this point, up to now, we are making the machines up to 500 kgs per hour, the
Right.
quantity. Now we are introducing two models, which will go up to 750 kgs per hour.
right.
Like up to 1 ton per.
Okay. Great.
We are in a design stage, so we are going to manufacture those machines in coming years and going to introduce in, I think, couple of months.
Wonderful. Great, sir. Thanks a lot, and all the best for the future, sir.
You're welcome and thank you so much.
Thank you.